Hello everyone, my name is Ramadhani Aljabar from class 2C, English Educational Department. For this final assignment, I read classic literacy work titled The Little Prince. Originally published in France as Le Petit Prince, written by Anthony de Saint-Exupéry. It was first published in 1943, and it is considered one of the most translated book in the world. About the author, the author, Anthony de Saint-Exupéry was a French writer and aviator. Much of his own experience as a pilot, including surviving a plane crash in the Sahara Desert, inspired the story of this book. Next, after that, the summary. When I read this book, the summary is the story began with the narrator, a pilot, whose plane crashed in the Sahara Desert. While trying to repair his aircraft, he meets a mysterious young boy called the Little Prince. Okay. Little Prince tells the narrator about his home, a tiny planet asteroid B612, where he lives alone with a single rose that he loves and takes care of. However, the rose is fine and demanding, which eventually causes the prince to leave his planet and travel to other planets. On his journey, he visits several small planets. Each inhabited by one strange adult, a king who rules over nothing, a fine man who wants to be admired, a drunkard who drinks to forget is some of drinking, a businessman obsessed with counting stars, and others. Through these encounters, the little prince learns how strange and narrow-minded adults can. Eventually, he arrives on Earth where he meets a fox. The fox teaches him the meaning of taming, friendship, and responsibility. Most famously talks the line, "What is essential is invisible to the eye." In the end, the narrator, now having repaired his plane, must say goodbye to the little prince, who allows a snake to bite him so that his spirit can return to his planet and his beloved rose. This book explores several deep themes: the loss of imagination, the loss of imagination and wonder in adulthood, the true meaning of love and responsibilities, loneliness, and the idea that the most important things in life cannot be measured or seen, only felt with the heart. In my opinion, even though his book looks like a simple children's story with beautiful illustration, it actually carries a very deep philosophical message for adult readers. I really like how the author used a fantasy story to criticize how others often lose their sense of curiosity and focus too much on numbers. Too much on numbers, status, and material things. The part that touched me the most was the Fox listens. What is essential is invisible to the eye. Nah, this line remind me that relationship, love, and genuine connection matter more than what we can measure or own. Overall, I would recommend this book to anyone, both children and adults, because it can be read in different ways depending on our age and life experience. That is my summary and review of The Little Prince by Anthony de Saint-Exupéry. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.